So, hello. Please, we would like to change the ear tip of these AirPods Pro. So, first of all, what we have to do is to hold the ear tip firmly, like this, and pull it backwards. These ones are dirty, so you will have to replace it with a new one. This one is a safe way to remove it so that you don't get your AirPods spoiled. So, just like this, you push forward, you push so you hear a click. There you go. So it is safely removed, and you see how nice it is. Yes, that's how you do it. So this is the other one, so I'll also hold it firm. You pull it backwards, and there you go. So with the second one, you can choose to make it very simple by just turning these ones over. So you just roll it over like this. So after rolling it over, you just pick your AirPod Pro and you just firmly push it forward, and there you go. Simply done. It's done. So whichever way you feel comfortable using, these are safe ways you can just replace the ear tip of your AirPod Pro. So that's how you do it. It's just as simple as it is, and as you can see, it's looking nice. And whenever your AirPod Pro ear tips get dirty, you need to replace them. So when you're looking for a safe way to just replacing it, you just do it this way.